If we were taught to react to situations growing up, then that's how we do it until someone teaches us differently. So, how do people learn to respond differently to situations? Through skill building is the intervention, but the management is how we respond to their behavior, how we respond to it. That's huge. Intervention is the skill deficit. Management is how you respond to them. And if you respond to them like, you did that purposely, this is what's going to happen, you have not built any skills, and you've also taught them how they're going to respond to the next person. It's hard, super hard. When people treat you poorly, you can't treat them poorly back. Even though someone will say, well, you asked for it. I mean, how many parents tell me, how many parents tell you, I've told my kid if he gets hit or she gets hit on the playground, they're supposed to fight back, right? Right? That argument comes every day. But we are going to teach them to respond differently. And I always say to the parents, I said, I totally understand your feelings there. We're working on some skill building. I'm going to suggest some other things for your child. And this is the way we do it in school. I can't tell you how many times I tell parents, this is the way we do it in school. I totally respect your decision. This is the way we do it in school.